A very good morning, students. This is our today's second class for English subject. For this, you need your book of English, English workbook, an English notebook along with your pencil and eraser. I hope you have all these things together. Am I right? So let's just begin with book of English. Open your book of English. Students, in our previous video, we have done two letters that were letter V and letter W. Similarly, in this video also, we will do two letters, letter X and letter M. But before that, I wish to tell you one thing, that the homework of letter V and letter W you can do today only. It means on Monday. And the homework of letter X and letter M you may do on Tuesday. It means tomorrow. Okay? Cause अगर आप ये सारे दो वीडियोस के होमवर्क एक साथ करेंगे तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा आपको. तो यू कैन डू वन थिंग, V और W आप मंडे को लिख लेना, मीन्स आज, और X और M आप लिख लेना ट्यूसडे को, कॉज ट्यूसडे को आपकी कोई क्लास होती नहीं है. तो विद दिस वे यू कैन डिवाइड द होमवर्क and the burden as well. Okay, let's just learn letter X. See, this is capital X and this is small x. Capital X, small x. Before that, write down homework and date. 7, 9, 20, 20. Homework nahi, sorry, classwork. In this page also 7, 9, 20, 20 and classwork. This is the easiest letter that you can make. Like बस एक slanting line करनी है और फिर ऐसे कर देना है क्रॉस, और ये हो जाएगा आपका letter X. So this is the capital X and this one is the small x. And here we have some pictures of letter X. The first one is X-ray. X-ray. Have you ever seen any X-ray or X-ray machine? जब किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है ना, तो डॉक्टर एक्सरे करके देखता है कि कोई बोन तो डैमेज नहीं है. तो जिस मशीन से एक्सरे करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सरे मशीन, एंड जिसमें से डॉक्टर चेक करते हैं, लुक दिस इज एन एक्सरे. सो एक्स फॉर एक्सरे. I think you all know which tree is this. This is Xmas tree that is used in Christmas. So this is Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. And what is this? This is a xylophone. What is this? A xylophone. And xylophone also starts with letter X. So you can simply say X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and X for xylophone. And here you have an exercise that I'm not gonna tell. You will do it by yourself. तो बहुत easy है, बस आपको circle करना है, तो do it by yourself. Okay? And now open your English workbook to write letter X. So this is your workbook. Let's just open it. Look, this is letter X. And which picture is this? Xmas tree. Okay, write down the date. 7, 9, 20, 20 and H, W. I hope you all know that how to do and what to do. Am I right? Yeah, you have to trace, then join and then write. Let's just give me a demo. Start from the biggest one. पहले आपको एक लाइन को ट्रेस कर लेना है, and then trace another line. Got it? Big one is done. Start from here. First line is over. Now another line. Trace like this, okay, and complete these two lines. Now it's time for joining. तो आपको स्टैंडिंग लाइन नहीं ज्वाइन करनी है. हाउ टू ज्वाइन? by making slanting line. So start from this dot, make a slanting line like this, and from this point make another slanting line, and look, and letter X is ready. So in these two lines you have to trace, in another two lines you have to join, and in the last two lines what? Yes, write. Write वाला write नहीं, लिखने वाला write. Start from the red line. Okay, 3 lines में ही बनना है. All the capital letters will be written in 3 lines, upper 3 lines. Got it? So start from the red line, make a slanting line, and the slanting line, and letter X is ready. So just like this, write letter, firstly trace, then join, and then write. Now open a notebook also. Yeah, this is the notebook. Again write the date 7/9/2020, and then HW. Start from the upper red line, make slanting line, another slanting line, and this is letter X. How many X's we need to make in a row? Only 3. ओके, तो ऐसे ही आपको लिखना है. You will write letter X in your workbook and then in your notebook. Now coming back to your book of English for next letter. Which is the next letter after X? Letter M. Letter M. This is the capital M and this one is the small m. Oh, what is this? This is a picture of monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. M for monkey. M for motorbike. M for monkey. M for motorbike. M for moon. M for mango. M for mother. M for monkey, M for motorbike, M for moon, M for mango, the king of fruit, and M for your mother. Learn all the pictures that begin with letter M. Okay? And here we have some pictures, and what we need to do is, here we have to circle. Which picture is this? This is a mug. This is a mug. The mug starts with letter N for mug, P for mug, or M for mug. Think. किस letter से आएगा mug? M letter. Which letter? M. And here this is a mat. And mat also starts with letter M. So how many letters, how many pictures we have that begin with letter M? M for monkey, M for motorbike, M for moon, M for mango, M for mother, M for mug, and M for mat. Now take your workbook to write letter M. Yeah, this is letter M, and look, this is a funny monkey. Write down date 7/9/2020 and then homework. And this is letter M. How to trace? Not start from the upper one, start from the bottom. Top से नहीं, bottom से start करना है, तो easily zigzag जैसा बनेगा. Go upward, coming down, going upward, and then coming down. Similarly, trace here as well. Letter M. This way you can trace these two lines. Now it's time for joining the dots. So firstly start from the bottom, go to top, then coming back to this dot, Again go to top with slanting line and then coming back to bottom. This way you can join the dots to make letter M. At last you have to write. So start from the bottom. ऊपर से नहीं बनाना है, नीचे से ही बनाना है आपको. ऊपर आए आप, then this is letter M. So write letter M in your workbook. Means firstly trace 2 lines, then join dot and write, and lastly write. Now your last job is to write letter M in the notebook. Again write date 7/9/2020. Write down HW and then start writing. आपको अपर की जो थर्ड लाइन है ना, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. गो अपवर्ड, रेड लाइन तक जाना है, फिर स्लैंटिंग लाइन बनानी है. वन मोर स्लैंटिंग लाइन. दिस इज लेटर M. This is how you can write letter M. So this is your homework to write letter X and write letter M. Good day. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.